Unlock the power of informed decisions by building your own custom surveys with Google Forms. First, head over to forms.google.com. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to the survey creation dashboard. To start a new project, simply click on the colorful blank form option. This will open up a fresh canvas for your survey. Your first step is to give your survey a clear and concise title. Think about what you want to know from your audience. Below the title, add a brief description to explain the purpose of your survey. This helps respondents understand what to expect. Now, let's add your first question. Click on the Untitled Question field. You can type in anything from multiple choice to open-ended questions. Google Forms offers a variety of question types. Most commonly, you'll use multiple choice for predefined answers or short answer for text-based responses. For multiple choice questions, click at option to input each possible answer. Make sure your options cover all likely responses clearly. Want to ensure you get an answer for a specific question? Simply toggle the required switch to the right. This marks the question as mandatory. To add more questions, just click the plus icon. On the right-hand side, you can add as many questions as you need to gather comprehensive data. You can even organize your survey into sections, add images or videos to make it more engaging, or include titles and descriptions to break down complex surveys. Once your survey is ready, click the Send button in the top right corner. You have several options to share your survey by email, by copying a shareable link, or even by embedding it directly into a website. Copying the link is often the easiest way to distribute your survey across various platforms. And the best part, all your data will be collected and organized in the Responses tab, allowing you to easily analyze and gain valuable insights to inform your next steps.